Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 10 jobs that will be replaced by AI. Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the way we live and work. As AI technology continues to develop, it is likely to automate many of the tasks that are currently performed by humans. By 2030, it is anticipated that generative AI will eliminate 2.4 million U.S. employment. In this video, I'll discuss the top 10 jobs that are most at risk of being replaced by AI. So let's start. Customer service representatives. AI chatbots can now provide customer support 24/7, and they are often able to resolve customer issues more quickly and efficiently than human customer service representatives. AI chatbots can now answer customer questions and resolve customer issues just as well as human customer service representatives. Cashiers and retail workers, self-checkout kiosks, and online shopping are already reducing the need for cashiers and retail workers. As AI technology continues to develop, it is likely that even more retail jobs will be automated. Self-checkout kiosks are becoming increasingly popular, and they can now scan items and process payments just as quickly as human cashiers. Telemarketers. AI can be used to generate and deliver automated sales pitches, which can be much more efficient than human telemarketers. I can now make and answer phone calls autonomously, eliminating the need for human telemarketers. Entry clerks. I can automate many data entry tasks such as processing invoices and entering data into databases. They can now automatically enter data from documents and images, eliminating the need for human data entry clerks. Factory workers. AI-powered robots are already being used to perform many factory tasks, such as assembling products and packing boxes. As AI technology continues to develop, it is likely that even more factory jobs will be automated. Transportation workers. Self-driving cars and trucks are likely to replace many transportation workers, such as taxi drivers, truck drivers, and bus drivers. As people increasingly book their own travel online, the need for travel agents is declining. AI can be used to automate many of the tasks that travel agents currently perform, such as booking flights and hotels. Insurance underwriters. AI can be used to assess risk and price insurance policies, which can be more accurate and efficient than human insurance underwriters. I can now assess risk and set insurance premiums just as well as human insurance underwriters. Lawyers. AI can be used to research legal cases, draft legal documents, and even represent clients in court. As AI technology continues to develop, it is likely that more and more legal work will be automated. Journalists. AI can be used to generate news articles and reports, which can be more efficient and cost-effective than human journalists. It is important to note that AI is not likely to replace all jobs. There are many jobs that require human creativity, empathy, and social skills. However, as AI technology continues to develop, it is likely that many of the jobs that are currently performed by humans will be automated. If you are concerned about your job being replaced by AI, it is important to start thinking about how you can adapt to the changing workforce. One way to do this is to develop skills that are complementary to AI, such as creativity, problem solving, and critical thinking. Thank you for watching this video about the top 10 jobs that will be replaced by AI. I hope you found it informative and helpful. See you next time.